Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to make a fun, bright card using the Ocean, Friends of the Ocean suite of products. So we have the Designer Series paper, the bundle of Ocean Friends stamp set and the dies. And we're also going to be throwing in the pastel ombre glimmer specialty paper. This is a 12 by 12, as well as the Designer Series paper. This is 12 by 12. I just cut mine down to 4 by 6. But these are some of the products we're going to be using, okay? So before we get started on our project today, we're going to go over some buzz-worthy business of the day. We have our Hearts for You paper pumpkin kit. You have until January 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit. It's going to make 9 cards, and real red is the stamping spot. We also have the Spring is in the Air dies add-on for $12. It's going to coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits, and there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. And you can always visit my blog at honeybeestampinghive.com to click on any of the links to sign up for the paper pumpkin, to join my team, and find out all of the latest and greatest news that's going on with Stampin' Up as far as sales and promotions, okay? We also have our host code here. This is a code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? So let's go ahead and get started on our project. So I have a lot of paper here. So we have some Designer Series paper. Let me give you the sizes. I have a piece here that is 5 1/4 by 4. I have a 3 by 4, and I have 2 strips that are 1/2 inch. One is 4 1/2 and one is by 4, okay? And then we have some basic white. This is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. I have some lemon lime twist. We have 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and then 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. We have our summer splash. This is 3 1/8 by 4. Then our card base is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And let me go ahead and burnish down our score line with my bone folder. And then for the inside of our card, we're going to start there, okay? So let's go ahead and get a piece of 3 1/2 by 4 3/4 piece of basic white. And we're going to get a strip of Designer Series paper that is 3/4 of an inch, and we're going to cut it down to 3 1/2. And we're going to just layer that right on the side here of this basic white. I'm going to leave just a little bit of that white on the side. Okay, we're going to put that there, get my scissors, and trim off any of the extras. Now, you guys, I've been telling you lately, I've been using my Stampin' Seal to adhere my inside piece that you have to write on. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but can you see those lines there from the glue? That is why I want to use my Stampin' Seal, because where you have to write, you might be able to feel those ridges from the glue. It doesn't really bother most people, and it really didn't bother me. It's just that when I noticed it, why not use something different that can prevent that? That's all. So if you still want to use your liquid glue, that is perfectly fine. There's no right or wrong. It's just preference, okay? So let me get some glue right here to the edge. Then we're going to put this on a piece of lemon lime twist that is 5 by 3 3/4. Is that? Oh, okay. Oh, that's a little crooked, but I've already got it down. Let's go ahead and put this in our card base. Since I have this out, I'll go ahead and use this. Oh, that's the end of it. So I won't be using that anymore on the rest of this card. So let's see how to open the card. Open up card. There we go. Put this on the inside here, just like that. And then I went ahead and die cut using the glimmer paper, some little starfish, and we're going to put these on the inside of our card. I did use some adhesive sheet when I die cut these out. So we're just going to remove the backing. and put these on our card base. Not our card base, but our card inside. So I'm just removing the backing to make it a sticker. Just like that. There we have it. I don't think I like this one right there. I think I want it up there. That's better. Okay, so that is our inside done. So now let's go ahead and start layering some pieces. So we're gonna layer these two pieces together. Oh my goodness, I love this side of the, this paper is so colorful and bright. All the sides are beautiful. It's really difficult to choose. However, you get 2 sheets of each design, so, and the way I cut mine down to 4 by 6, you get a, what, 6 pieces out of each 12 by 12? I think. Okay, we have that. Now let's go ahead and layer this designer series paper on this mat. Now this one is 4 by 3 and the mat is 3 1/8 by 4, so it's only going to have a border on 2 of the sides, not all 4 sides. And it looks like I might have to trim a little bit off because my measurements are not quite there. Just the tiniest bit has to get trimmed. Just take your snips, whatever scissors you have, and trim it to make it even. And so now we're going to add this to the other ones we already layered up. And I'm going to put it more to the right hand side, not all the way, but just more. I'm going to add that right there, like that. And now we can add this to our card base. I'll put this right on here. Okay. Now let's see, what do I want to do? We're going to do some stamping. So let's get our basic white. No, I need an extra piece of basic white. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp on this one. We're gonna stamp in Summer Splash. Did I tell you that this is Summer Splash? Yes, I did. So this is my first time using this sentiment stamp. It says, "Thanks so much." And we're gonna ink this up in the Summer Splash and we're gonna stamp it in the left-hand upper corner. I'm gonna try to get this straight. Ooh, I think my granddaughter's hungry. She's fussing. I'm gonna put that right there, just like that. Okay, now I need to leave this out. I need to get another piece of paper. Okay, so we're gonna do stamp a crab. That's what we're about to do, stamp a crab. So I'm gonna get Pool Party and Summer Splash. I want to do there's 2 ways to do this. So you can do your solid image first. So let ink up in the Pool Party. Stamp that down. Then get our outline, detail, not outline, but detail. Make sure I'm in frame. And I'm not right over it, so I can't really see. Oh, that came out pretty good. Or you could do it this way. You can do your detail first, since it's a darker color. Then you can take your solid image and stamp over that. Either way is correct, whichever way is easier for you, okay? So now that we have that done, we can get our mini cut and emboss machine and die cut this out. Let me go ahead and separate these two. I think I'm gonna do this one because it turned out better. We have our die here. I'm gonna line this up. Line this up. Get me a piece of washi tape or 2. to hold that together. Get our emboss machine here. My baby boss. Let's run this through. Okay, so here's our die all cut out. Come on out of there. Isn't that cute? Woohoo. Okay, let's go ahead and layer this up with its matte on a lemon lime twist. Come on, glue. We're gonna put that on there. Ooh. Get it straight, Shauna, get it straight. And then we're gonna add this to our card. And I wanna put this about right here. I don't wanna cover too much of the background up, but we're gonna put it about right there. Then we're gonna add our strips here. So let me see, which one do I want on top? I think I'll do it like that. So let's go ahead and add this. This is the 4.5 by 1/2 inch strip. And I'm gonna go straight to the edge of the designer series paper over there. I want to leave a little bit of the white from the main image square. And I've seen this layout, I don't remember where, and I'm just going to overlap these two just a little bit. But I did see this layout somewhere else, and I don't remember where I seen it. Okay, so that is that. Now, I stamped this crab twice before the video. I did Bubble Bath and Melon Mambo, and then Calypso Coral and Petal Pink, because I don't know which one of these I want to use. I don't know which one looks better. And I was thinking I wanted this one because it contrasts, but then I'm thinking I shouldn't have stamped that in that color. But maybe it's okay. Maybe I can put one of these on the inside. So let's put some I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the one we stamped. Let's put some Stampin' Dimensionals on our image here. Some Stampin' Dimensionals. Maybe some minis to hold up those claws. Where are my minis? I only have black minis, that's fine. Doesn't matter the color, they all work the same. Okay. Let's get these backings off. Oh, my nails are gone. Can't get through stuff anymore. Have to wait till they grow back out. We're gonna put him about like this. Yeah, I think right there. Okay, and I have some more of those little starfish in the glimmer paper. So we're gonna put these on the front of our card here. So let me get my Take Your Pick tool back and release the papers on all of these. And we're gonna put these on here like this. Put this one about right here. Get this one. One of each color. Up. Come back. We're gonna put him right there. And then I'll get these other ones. Oh, and this suite has what is it called? An embossing folder that coordinates with it. I'm not using that today, but it would have been cute. Let's see. Let's put our purple one right there. Oop, not on top of our crab. His little foot. Okay, there we go. I don't want it layered because that is on dimensionals. Let's see. Come on. This is taking a little longer than I wanted. Something looks crooked. I want this one. Let me see. I need to make space for this because these are not fitting. the way I seen it in my head. The way I seen it in my head. Okay, maybe that just needs to go right there. And like that, like so. Okay, we got all of that done. Now, this suite also has some Sunny Day iridescent dots. These are super cute, but they're super bulky, but I'm gonna use them. So what colors? We want to use the Melon Mambo and the Pumpkin Pie, since we have like the Summer Splash looking right there, because that's the other color in here. So where do we want to put them is the question. Let's get a big one, ooh, in the Melon Mambo and put it right here. Then we'll get some small ones in the Pumpkin Pie. Let's put one here. I'll go ahead and use a Summer Splash. Let's use a small Summer Splash and put it here. And do we want to add one of these crabs on the inside? Which one? This one or this one? I think I'll do this one. We'll do the Melon Mambo and Bubble Bath. We're just gonna sit him over here in the corner like that. That is our card done. Isn't that super cute? Thanks so much. I love it. There's so many different little things. Oh, this is coming off. Let me put a little pinch of glue. Make them stay. So there's a lot of more things in the die set. A couple of more stamps. And the paper, oh my goodness, this designer series paper is so cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.